we've learned a hard lesson. Mars is a trap. If you stay there for 2 years, or if you are born there, your body becomes too weak for Earth. Your bones would break, and your heart would fail under our gravity. Mars is not a home. It is an exile. But humanity has a plan. To stay strong, we must tame the twin Venus. Today, we begin a 3,000-year mission. We will cool the planet and turn its deadly clouds into building materials. This is not for the people of Mars, but for the sons of Earth. By the year 6000, Venus will no longer be a hell, but the true twin of Earth. Phase 1 begins in space. We are deploying the Great Shade, a colossal shield that blocks 2/3 of the sun's heat to cool the planet. But this shield is also a giant power plant. Its solar panels capture the sun's pure energy to beam it, via high-powered beams, to our floating factory cities deployed simultaneously in the atmosphere of Venus. At an altitude of 50 kilometers, these factories use this power to transform toxic CO2 into nanocarbon and new materials to build the future. Billions of tons of nanofibers and construction materials are produced this way, turning poison into the building blocks of our future. Once the atmosphere is stabilized, the second phase begins: hydration. Venus is an absolute desert. To bring life back, we must import water by force. We have diverted 100 massive comets from the far reaches of the solar system. Their controlled impacts on the surface will not be destructive, but creative. As they vaporize, these mountains of ice will saturate the air with moisture, giving birth to the first rains and the future oceans of the new Venus.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and like the video.